How to save a video on Reddit. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can save a video on Reddit. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is for you to log in into your Reddit account, just like I've done here. And then go ahead and find the video that you want to save. Okay, so once you've located the video that you would like to save, just click on the video and this will open the video in a full view. And so once the video is in a full view, move to the top right corner and click on the three dots that you can see there. And a list of options will be displayed, which include share, save, report, block account, hide, subscribe, download. So you can just click on save and then the video will be saved automatically. And you can also click on download if you want the video to be saved to your mobile phone. So just click on download and then the video will be downloaded and saved to your mobile phone. That is it. Thank you for watching and go save those videos now. Bye.